Welcome to Toki Well-Being. These are morning affirmations for a positive day. They will set your mind for well-being and help you to attract positive energy and events into your life. Today is a new day. Today I make new choices aligned with my well-being, abundance, love, success, beauty, and joy. I have everything to enjoy this day. Today, I live to the fullest of my potential, and it happens effortlessly. I'm curious about myself and my journey. I give full attention to what I sense and feel. I let my body and my emotions guide me to what is best for me. I give full attention to my thoughts. I embrace them all with curiosity. I nourish positive thoughts with my attention. I release the thoughts that limit or block my creative energy, and I walk free. I surprise myself with my courage to explore everything new. My positive mindset works miracles for me. These miracles happen in their own time. And when they do, I appreciate them. I release the need to control. I'm excited to see how everything I need comes to me effortlessly. Everything happens at the right time. Whenever I face a challenge, I take a breath, I smile, and I respond consciously. I am happy to expand. I let all the events align with my highest intentions. I trust my life and I'm safe. I am in tune with my true self. I honor my path. I am my own light. I resonate with everything beautiful in the world. I'm enjoying this amazing day just as it is. I am grateful. Enjoy and shine. Have a wonderful day.